Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're digging into Google's Project Astra. They're calling it a visionary step. Quite the statement.
Mm-hmm. It's their big push for the next generation of AI assistants, built by DeepMind, running on Gemini 2.0, apparently.
Right, and the main idea seems to be, well, combining everything. Speech, images, text, making it feel more, seamless.
Exactly. Seamless and intuitive. That's the goal. It moves beyond just listening.
So how does that actually work? What does it mean day to day? Let's get into that.
Well, the key thing is this multimodal capability.
Mm-hmm.
It's not just one input. It's taking information from different places all at once.
Like what? What kind of places?
So think about speech, obviously,
Mm-hmm.
but also what the camera on your phone sees and any text involved.
Okay.
So you could point your phone at, say, a menu in French. Astra could, in theory, read it, understand it visually, and translate it for you. Right there.
Ah, okay. Using things like Google Lens, I guess.
Yeah, integrating lens, search, maps, all that data. It could see a landmark, identify it, and then pull up info if you ask about it.
Mm-hmm.
It's processing visuals and your voice question together.
Which is different from just asking a voice assistant a question in isolation.
Totally. And it's meant to be real time. That's another big piece they're emphasizing.
Real-time processing. So not much lag. Because that would kind of kill the whole seamless vibe, wouldn't it?
Definitely. If you're looking at something and asking about it, you need the answer now, not 30 seconds later. That immediacy is crucial for it to feel like properly interactive.
Right, dynamic.
And another layer to this is memory. It's not just reacting moment to moment.
Okay, what about memory?
The sources say it can hold context within a conversation, like
Yeah.
a session, for up to about 10 minutes.
10 minutes. So if I point out a building, ask what it is,
Mhm.
and then 5 minutes later ask, when was it built? It should know I still mean the building.
That's the idea, yeah. It avoids you having to constantly repeat yourself. It remembers the subject, making the conversation feel more like a conversation, less robotic.
Okay, that could be genuinely useful. So where are they testing this? Just phones?
Phones are the obvious starting point, yeah. But they're also working with prototype smart glasses.
Smart glasses. Okay, now that sounds like sci-fi territory. Feels like we've heard that one before.
Well, yeah, but imagine this tech integrated there. You're looking around,
Mm-hmm.
and the AI understands your visual environment directly.
So walking down the street.
Right, maybe getting directions overlaid, or you glance at a restaurant and Astra pulls up reviews instantly in your vision. Or identifying plants in a park as you look at them. It's about embedding the AI into your perception.
That definitely paints a picture of deeper integration, which seems to be Google's bigger play here, doesn't it? Towards a kind of universal AI assistant.
It seems like it. Something that can handle more complex stuff, maybe even anticipate needs a bit more, because it understands the context you're in, visually and otherwise. It's framed as a big step towards that more AI-driven future.
And where is it now? Just testing, you said.
Yeah, still very much in the testing phase. It's not something you can download today, but the demos and the capabilities they're showing, they definitely point towards a potential shift.
A shift in how we interact with information and get stuff done daily.
Exactly. If it develops and gets integrated well across devices, you can see how it could become a sort of constant context-aware helper.
Right. So wrapping this up then, the big takeaway seems to be this combination. Understanding speech, seeing the world through a camera, processing text, doing it in real time, and remembering the recent context. That's Astra in a nutshell.
Pretty much. That multimodal, real-time context-aware package is what makes it interesting.
Okay, it certainly gives you something to think about. What does it actually mean for your daily life when your assistant can see what you see and remember what you just talked about? How does that change things? Food for thought.